Welcome to Problem Solvers, made by Rapta, where we show our AI solving your problems. The operator interface is on the left. Just click on the wiring assembly to get started. Now the operator has to follow the video-based work instruction. And the beautiful thing, this is like having a quality control manager always present. So if there's an issue with the wiring, the operator is not allowed to move on to the next step. And we'll continue to blink the red box around the issue until corrective action is made. Once the corrective action is made, the operator can move on to the next step, and we'll give them the thumbs up. Now they just follow this video-based work instruction. And again, if there's an issue, there has to be a corrective action, and we'll continue to blink the red box. We can also detect issues like copy exact. So even though this is correctly wired, this is not copy exact. So until corrective action is made, they cannot move on to the next step. Once they finish the assembly, they get a scorecard. And you'll see the green dot is perfect quality, but the yellow line is over time.